Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Fingerprint Scanner in 60 seconds by Sadili Syrian African Registered Administrator and Virtual Instructor Analytics and founder of Net Plus Workflow. A fingerprint scanner is a device that reads and captures the unique pattern of ridges and valleys on a person's finger. It is used for security purposes such as unlocking devices or granting access to protected areas by comparing the captured fingerprint with stored records. It can accurately identify individuals. Fingerprint scanners provide a convenient and reliable way to authenticate users, ensuring that only authorized individuals can access sensitive information or data or enter restricted areas.